verification verification of principle of superposition for a simply supported beam. I'm going to consider the same beam which we have used for the Maxwell's reciprocal theorem verification for the simply supported beam. Okay, this is the aim. Okay, so next the same apparatus required. Then the dimensions I have given in the last class itself. And this is the theory, the principle of superposition theory. The principle of superposition states that on a linear elastic structure, the combined effect of several loads acting simultaneously is equal to the algebraic sum of the effects of each load acting individually. Delta 1 plus delta 2 is equal to delta 1 2, where delta 1 is the deflection at reference point O due to load on point 1. Delta 2 is the deflection at reference point O due to load on point 2. Delta 1 2 is the deflection at reference point O due to load on point 1 and 2, which are acting simultaneously. Now I will explain with the help of figure so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now this is the diagram. Okay, this is the diagram. Simply supported beam or the beam is resting on a knife edge, and just mark 2 points randomly. Let us take name it as a point 1 and point 2. Mark the reference point O anywhere along the beam. Along the beam, mark anywhere the point reference point on the beam. Let us apply a load W1 at point 1 and a W2 at point 2. Okay, both W1 and W2 are acting simultaneously. Okay, so here weight anchor will be placed and here also weight anchor will be placed. On both the weight anchor, add the weights simultaneously, and here at the reference point, dial gauge will be placed. Once the weights are added simultaneously at point 1 and 2, measure the deflection at the reference point with the help of the dial gauge. Now this is the deflection delta 1 2. Now same beam, okay, remove the load W2, okay, W2. Now apply the load W1 at point 1, measure the deflection at the reference point O. Let that deflection be delta 1. Now apply load W2 at the reference point 2 alone, at the point 2 alone. Now measure the deflection delta 2 at the reference point O. This deflection delta 1 at reference point O due to load at point 1 plus deflection delta 2 at reference point O due to load at point 2 will be equal to the deflection delta 1 2 at reference point O due to loads acting at point 1 and 2 simultaneously. As I told you, or as I have explained you earlier classes in Maxwell's reciprocal theorem, how to take down the readings, how to fix the dial gauge, how to fix or how to add weights in the weight anchor, and so on. For each and every increment of load, that is the range of 500 gram or 0.5 kg, readings are noted down from the dial gauge and entered in the tabular column. So this tabular column are the readings shown for weight W1 added at point 1, like 0.5 kg. Measure the reading at the dial gauge at reference point O. Then add one more 0.5 kg. So for 1 kg, what is the dial gauge reading? For 1.5 kg, what is the dial gauge reading? For 2 kg, what is the reading? For 2.5 kg, what is the reading? Then unload it. Remove 0.5 kg, 0.5 kg. Note down the unloading reading also. Then measure the average of these two. Calculate the average of these two. Then convert that dial gauge reading to the millimeter, multiply by 0.01. So these are the deflection values at the reference point O due to weight at point 1. Now add the weight at point 2 alone, the range of increment 0.5 kg or 500 gram, and note down the deflection at the reference point O. So same way, loading, unloading. Okay, then take the average of these two, enter here, then convert to millimeter. Okay, that is multiply this average delta 2 by 0.01. Then P1 plus P2, that is add weights at point 1 and 2 simultaneously, like at point 1 0.5 kg, at point 2 plus 0.5 kg, like W1 plus W2 or P1 plus P2, whatever it is. Okay, so 0.5 plus 0.5 1 kg, then again 0.5 added, so 1 kg 1 kg, so 2 kg, like that. Measure the loading readings, then unloading readings, take the average, then convert to millimeter. Now look at this. Anyone take anyone readings and just compare your results. What the principle of superposition says: delta 1 plus delta 2 is equal to delta 1 2. Okay. Now 0.6 delta 1 plus delta to 0.59. If you add, you will get 1.19 millimeter. So this is the procedure for a simply supported beam. Okay, whichever I have explained so far, the same explanation is given as point by point. Okay. Hence, it is observed that principle of superposition is proved. Thank you.